Hi, I'm Beth Hutson with the digital editor with the Observer, and today we're going to have 3 people. If you could introduce yourselves, starting with Scott.
Scott Parker.
Myron Pitts. Oh, sorry, Scott.
Monica Holland.
Okay, and they're going to try 2 different recipes that I've made. One is the cheesy beefless rice and veggie casserole. So let's try that first.
Okay, that's this one. Scott, cheeses. All right.
So Beth, will you tell us about the ingredients?
Absolutely. So this comes. This is really easy to make. Beefless crumbles, which you can get at pretty much any grocery store around here. Vegetable broth, bell pepper, an onion, 1.5 cups of rice, oregano, thyme, soy sauce, and a bag of frozen mixed vegetables, some garlic, and vegan shredded cheese, and not a whole lot of it. I'm not a huge fan of vegan cheese. But this doesn't call for too many. It's really easy to make. It takes, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes. You cook it for 25.
It's good.
Yeah. It's
It's
not
good
very,
to me.
yeah.
It's hearty for a vegan dish.
Yeah.
That's not common.
It's got a lot of flavor.
It does.
That's a win.
I got a lot of pepper and garlic, which I like.
Mm-hmm.
I probably put a little bit more garlic than it called for because I love garlic so much. Everybody in my house.
Where's the rest
Hmm?
of the pan? Where's the rest of the pan?
What kind of beef substitute is it?
It's like soy.
Okay.
Just soy, a soy product. Like I got mine at Harris Teeter in the frozen department, but they also have it. I've seen it at Harris Teeter, Food Lion, Walmart, Sprouts, Fresh Market.
Okay.
Is it like ground beef? Is that what it looks
Yeah,
like?
it's supposed to be like ground beef. I'll use it in for spaghetti too, and also you can use it for tacos.
Is this a regular dish you?
No, I just found it.
No.
And just now made it. So the next thing is, this took a lot more work. Black-eyed pea patties with Creole aioli. That's the next thing. Now Myron will not be having any of the sauce, unfortunately, because Myron, why?
Well, I have aversion to anything that has mayo in it.
Even fake mayonnaise.
Even fake mayonnaise.
Right.
But we'll see.
So the cakes are made with black-eyed peas, quinoa, cornmeal, onions, garlic, celery, vegetable bouillon, soy sauce, paprika, garlic, onion powder, thyme, oregano, cumin powder, and to make for the eggs, I use flaxseed mixed with water.
That is such a vegan recipe.
Yeah. And then the
Flaxseed.
vegan, the aioli is made with vegan mayonnaise, lemon juice, salt, garlic powder, and Creole seasoning.
Yeah. The aioli's really good. You're totally missing out.
Yeah, you need to have the aioli to make it
Pop.
juicy.
Yeah, it's a
So now
dry.
they make me feel bad about my dish.
I'm not crazy about the texture, but I really like the flavor.
Yeah, it's good flavor. It's a bit dry, the patty but with the aioli, it makes up for it.
They take
Right.
it to the next level.
It does.
It's very spicy and really good. And you taste the lemon in there, which is really good with the patty.
But it's not too spicy. I can't handle too spicy. So I wouldn't have made it if I could. All right. Thank you everybody for trying it. These are things that we'll have up on the website for you to try at home.